Yo, what's up men? Nirvana MB na naman nga pala to. Ang reviewer na walang tira men, kilala nyo na. Walang iba kundi ako lang yun. At kung di ka ba nakasubscribe men, baka naman pwede mong i-click yung subscribe button dyan sa Gedli para at least men, updated ka sa mga ilalabas nating mga reaction video katulad nito men. Shoutout nga pala kay Bangwi. Nag-comment siya 22 hours ago. Sabi dito niya men, react to the new song of Carl Angelo. Ang title is PTI. Ito men, pag search ko dun dito sa kantang to, nakita ko si Carl Angelo. Napakinggan ko na yung isang kanta niya, yung It, na parang nasa simbahan siya men. Sobrang dope nun men. Sobrang angas nun men. As in. Kasi ang galing niya, ang ganda ng accent niya, unang-una, lupet ng English. Tapos yung, kung mag-spit siya men, sobrang grabe. Pero ito men, hindi ko pa to napapakinggan itong papaspatan sa atin. Ang title nito yung PTI. Hindi ko pa alam kung ano ibig sabihin. Official visualizer lang. Presented by Carl Angelo, Yams, Ruby Ibarra, Talilo, Miss A, and David Ira. Men, tingin ko magiging super lit nito men. Magbabounce tayo dito, sobrang angas. At shoutout sa nagpa-spot sa atin nito men kay Bangwi. Sige, spatan na natin to. Baka ispatan pa ng iba.
Para sa lahat naman ng mga politiko at bahagi na ng gobyerno.
Wait, si Vice ganda to, men. Si Vice ganda to, men. So, recently nga lang talaga to.
Na nagnakaw sa atin, naglanakaw sa atin, isa lang ang gusto namin sabihin sa inyong lahat. Patawad kay Father, pero putang ina nito!
Mura pala yun, no? PI pala yun, men.
Putang ina, eto na naman. Eto na naman, eto na naman. Putang ina, eto na naman. Ask me where I'm from, 3 stars in the sun. Putang ina, eto na naman. Eto na naman, eto na naman. Putang ina, eto na naman.
So, question lang, men, no? Meron tayong ni-review na kanta from Calix na parang pag-aalyansa siya. Or pagbibigay ng sama ng loob sa gobyerno. So, ito ba masasabi rin natin na parang makabayan rap? Kasi parang ganun eh. Ano? Doon minsan hindi ko minsan sobrang ma-distinguish kung papasok ba siya sa bracket ng makabayan rap. Ang tinatawag ba bang makabayan rap is parang lahat ng kumbaga ng saloobin mo sa gobyerno tapos nililay down mo yung facts, yun ba yung pwede nating matawag na makabayan rap? Or at least yung concept? Tuloy, men.
Where I'm from, 3 stars in the sun.
What's up, what's up? I give a hoe the coat and shoulder, she gon' need a parka. Man, get your hoe, I ain't tryna save her, I ain't.
Kita nyo, men. Men, alam mo ito to be honest. Ang naalala ko dito sa spit niyang ganito, men, ganitong klaseng bitaw, si Izemel, men. Parang kaboses niya, men. Comment down below, men, kung nare-reminisce nyo si Izemel dito kay Carl.
Peter Parker, they throwing shade up from my shadow, got my Warby Parkers on. Learn something if you look at me. These rappers salty like what granny cook for me. Oh yeah.
Salty granny cook for me. Napadami ang ang asin.
So cow, but I'm rocking sucker free. Brought the waves up on the pavement. Was displaced but not complacent. Combination, kunding man and kulintang and salbagita. Salbakuta.
Wait, salbakuta. Ano ba to, men? Ang salbakuta is Bicol. Alam ko. Bicol bang salitang ito?
Shout out Auntie Lita, Shoota. Y'all ain't out rapping out there, Nisa. All y'all opinions about us supposed to fucking mean some. Big stepping, don't sweat the technique. Y'all rest at my feet. I'm popping intensities all over your pussy ass tendencies. I get drunk Tennessee, you lacking intensities. Cross me, I make sure your tendencies got horsepower, got kidding me, stupid.
Tang ina, eto na naman. Ang inabangan dito na sa harapan. Pinakawalan, tago na pagdumaan. Kilala talam sa salon ng katawan. Hindi magaan, swag away your baratan. This the Northern California going hella dumb. Where the fella from?
Ano kaya sila, men? Yung ito bang ano ba to? Grupo ba sila, men, na based sa US? California, Cali?
I'm gold on these skeletons. Headhunters tatted up, upper echelon. Suffer excellence, oops, suffer excellence. The brother heaven sent, last supper reference. Hang by everything, the table and the evidence. To keep an eye out for the Judas and the set of friends. Then the severance, I'm cutting up. Wah, wah, wah. Yeah, me fuck 'em up. 16.
Ano yun may touch ng ano siya men, ng kanta ni Kendrick Lamar na ano yun? They not like us.
Hella bars, ain't no belling out. Fuck a hater, get the paper, got me yelling out. Tang ina, eto na naman. Eto na naman, eto na naman. Tang ina.
Wait lang, sa sobrang kakasabi ko nung una yung sa Makabayan Rap, hindi ko iniintindi yung lyrics men kung about sa gobyerno. Ulit, sige men, magiging focus na ako. Parang hindi ko sinabi ko lang na Makabayan Rap pero parang hindi ko inintindi yung ano. Ulit.
Na, eto na naman. Ask me where I'm from, 3 stars in the sun. Tang ina, eto na naman. Eto na naman, eto na naman. Tang ina, eto na naman. Ask me where I'm from, 3 stars in the sun.
What are we repping? Genetics, what if let's just blessed with ancestors? Now give it a test, would do better for the ones we left our descendants. Which know they roots and they weapons for the east to the west, and I'm stepping like how many zombie giving a harmony, bringing the west, and I step in, I'm rapping, pulling not the main one. Oregon, that's the main one. Filipinos around me cause they know I'm finna say something.
Malupit, men. Pero yun nga men, no, parang hindi so far parang hindi siya nagiging bracket or hindi pa magfo-fall siya dun sa parang Makabayan Rap. Kasi para namang yun mga represent nila yun nga sa US, tas yun yung mga community. Comment nyo nga men kung ano ba yung tamang pwedeng terminology na masasabi natin, kung anong type or consider as general rap. Balik ko men, angas nito.
Tang ina, eto na naman. Ask me where I'm from, 3 stars in the sun.
What are we repping? Genetics, what if let's just blessed with ancestors? Now give it a test, would do better for the ones we left our descendants. Which know they roots and they weapons for the east to the west, and I'm stepping like how many zombie giving a harmony, bringing the west, and I step in, I'm rapping, pulling not the main one. Oregon, that's the main one. Filipinos around me cause they know I'm finna say something. Utang na loo. That mentality is made up, so thank you to all my haters for getting all of my plays up. Bitches, yeah, we don't owe you dollars. I've been in the kitchen, let them cook. Tancha, tangina. Tell you kuya that we really got it.
Tansya.
Poppin' halika. Now I pull up, you can hear just how it sound. Where my brand from? Sound like don't. What the people sound off? We loud with the ones down, for the ones there, for the ones with the volume sound off. Running a gunner without loss. What are you deaf? I know goodbye. We on the west, coming together. Filipinos are fed up. We gonna be telling them. Tang ina.
Here we go again, moving and scrambling.
Okay.
They be hearing us stomping.
Wait, maangas to ah. Babae naman ng ito na ba si men? Miss A?
Cause they don't know what's been brewing. Pagkapasok ng halimaw, baka di nyo kayanin. Isa-isa titirahin, but they ain't ready for the conversation.
Men, in fairness no, kay Miss A, kung si Miss A man yun, men. Kumbaga matalim pa yung Tagalog niya. Hindi parang for me dun sa ano lang na yun, dun sa part na yun, medyo matalim pa siya, hindi pa siya yung parang mararamdaman mo na feel na yung pagtatagalog niya. Pero doon sa part na yun, men, for me lang, men, medyo ano pa yun, matalas na accent ng Tagalog na Tagalog.
Here we go again, moving and scrambling. They be hearing us stomping cause they don't know what's been brewing. Pagkapasok ng halimaw, baka di nyo kayanin. Isa-isa titirahin, but they ain't ready for the conversation. They say let me breathe, I still catch these bitches using rhymes, don't please. My rhymes vicious, malicious. Mine is
My rhymes is vicious, malicious.
malignant. I achieve my bolo and coming out is the motto. No, these bitches be bobo. All the way up to the top, 3 stars, do the math. This ain't 50 pops. My kuyas never rode the wave that y'all be riding. We pride in, while most of y'all be hiding. Dilawang bituin, pula ang tapang ng dugo. Asulang ang kapayapaan lamang nagsisimbolo. They want my skin white, but I don't fuck with that shit. Kayo manggi, magiging tanging kulay ko, bitch.
Tang ina, eto na naman. Eto na naman, eto na naman.
Ano kaya sila men, no? Hindi, may sinabi Portland no? Hindi ko sure men kung saang part ng Portland. I mean, kung nasa central part ba siya or east or west. Pero yun nga, no, yung iba is parang representing Cali. So, California vibes.
Eto na naman.
Community.
3 stars in the sun.
Told you that support is represented. That don't need attended on me. See my talent, gonna tell them. Body in the
Okay,
rhythm, I'm a menace. I'm a set a standard, stepping on their necks. They won't forget that I'm a lethal weapon overseas. They stepping on my verses, dog. They see me checking rappers in my presence. They rehearsing, dog. I see resentment when I bring the sentence, so they nervous, dog. You see I'm tempted just to be you're relentless, so they swerving, dog. Fuck with me, see I'm the greatest film artist that she's honesty. You got a problem with that statement, that don't bother me. I'm about to turn up that temperature, that temp is brewing. Typhoon season, temper's loose, and I've been moving to a whole new level, dogs is back with. All it has my microphone, my laptop, half punching circles, my backdrop. That fuel the shit that I snapped on, I'm crashing out, get lapped, dog. I'm represent Filipino excellence, better know who I am, dog.
Sitting on my throne, put my feet up on my
Okay.
tiny desk, bringing you the OPM. God like with the love of therapist, sayo on my tongue. Makibaka is the dialect. Putanginan yung mga kurakot na Senate-elect. Nevis Tapu-Lapu, there's a vibe that we bringing next. Organize a riot, work a file.
Medyo may mali lang na onti dun sa sa spelling. Ay, wait lang. Nasaan na yan?
That don't bother me, I'm about to turn up that temperature, that temp is brewing. Typhoon season, temper's loose, and I've been moving to a whole new level, dogs is back with. All it has my microphone, my laptop, half punching circles, my backdrop. That fuel the shit that I snapped on, I'm crashing out, get lapped, dog. I'm represent Filipino excellence, better know who I am, dog.
Sitting on my throne, put my feet up on my tiny desk, bringing you the OPM. God like with the love of therapist, sayo on my tongue. Makibaka is the dialect. Putanginan yung mga kurakot na
You know, mga kurakat or kurakot yung sabi niya. Nagkamali na ng onti men si visualizer.
Senate-elect. Nevis Tapu-Lapu, there's a vibe that we bringing next. Organize a riot, work a file with the
Organize a riot, work a fire with the pyrotechs. Men, pyrotechs, yung mga pyrotechnician, no? Yung sila yung parang technician siya ng mga pyro, ng mga, ano bang tawag doon? Yung fireworks yun, mga fireworks. Or yung pyro din kasi men, pwede rin yun yung hindi naman siya masyadong mataas. Kasi usually parang yung mga pyrotechs, parang unang naisip ko dyan men sa WWE men. Pag nag-e-entrance yung mga WWE superstars, di ba may mga pyro yun na mga maaangas. Parang ganun.
The pyrotechs, that's the old suko like si Angelo. Dati lang silab, the effect was like a domino.
Okay.
Bakunawa narito, shinobi parang Naruto. Ultimo halimoto, tang inang politiko. And if they think they got it, I've already seen like 10 of them. It's only one of me, I guarantee you'll never get again. And daily we got herbal like tea, more like sticky with leaves. I'm what all your teethers thought they couldn't be. Lola's praying for me, no one's touching my seat. I got cuts on these heels from big stepping all week.
Woo! Man. Men, grabe yun. Sobrang solid nung kantang yun, men. PTI from Carl Angelo, Yams, Ruby, Bara, Talilo, Miss A, David, Ira, men. Men, ang angas nun, men. Kahit ako, men, though puro mga English yun, pero men, syempre, men, reviewer na walang tira tayo ng Tagalog, ngayon pang English, di lalo na. Pero, men, sobrang angas nun for me. Wala akong masabi. At shoutout dun sa mga Phil-Am na mga nasa US na, especially, men, dun sa mga talaga mga idol din talaga natin. Ito, men, siguro malawak din talaga ang community nila, men, dito doon sa US, men. At napaka-solid lang din nun kasi at least nabibigyan tayo ng iba't ibang flavor at dahil sa ating community, men, maraming salamat. At patang ko rin pa yung ibang mga kanta ni Carl Angelo, men. At yun, men, yun lang muna for this video. Ingat palagi, good vibes, subscribes, peace!